I've successfully extracted the females from the world's famous laundromat here at the famous Dollar General. Here we are in Custer, South Dakota, and we're gonna do a little how to ride. Are you nervous, excited? You probably weren't expecting to do this today. Kind of throwing you under the bus here, but you gotta learn someday, somehow, some way, shape, or form. Here's the location of where you shall learn how to at least move forward on a motorcycle. We got Bubbies. Hi. And we got Zach, aka Jarvis, aka Zach. Shout out MaxWrist, V1 gauntlets, the frostiest, dopest gloves in all time. Shout out Live Life When Life Throws You Curves, MaxWrist them. Shout out fanny packs. Shout out Max Crash beanie. Shout out. Pull up. Alright, so whoever's riding the bike is going to be wearing the airbag vest. Okay, your first dibs. So if you fall over at 5 miles an hour, you'll be okay. Mana is so excited. Alright, so lesson 1, I'm going to set it up. I'm going to turn the bike around. This is on, that's off. So turn it the other way. Okay, now you can hit the gas. Don't release this. This is everything, okay? So I'm gonna hold it with you. Let me hold it right here, alright? Okay, now you can press that button below the red, but when it's here.
And at what point do you release the foot brake?
When you want to start moving forward. Kickstand. Get your kickstand up. Over here. Oh, it's a little tall. Alright, here, hit the start. Alright, now release this slowly. Watch, release this slowly. Really slow.
And when do I release my foot?
You can release it right now. You're fine, roll backwards. Keep releasing this slowly. Don't worry about it. Slowly. Alright, now feel the bike starting to move? You can put both your feet down too if you want. Now you feel it? Yeah. Keep releasing slowly. See, now it's catching. What? Hover the back brake.
I think we should worry about front brake and they should walk the bikes. Just because they're probably not used to weight yet.
Well, I don't know where my feet go even.
Can you touch down?
Okay.
What you do is you lean to one side and mainly just lean it there. So I would lean it this way. I always lean it to the left, especially when I slope. And then you put your foot up here and then Alright, put it down your foot. Put your foot up here and then put it on the rear brake and it'll stop moving immediately. Got me? So leave this foot up the whole time. And once you want to stop moving forward, you hit that. I mean, the front brake is like non-existent. Will it work?
Did you, okay, not to be mean, but did you actually take a class?
No.
Oh, okay.
I learned on that, remember that picture?
He has his permit. He doesn't have his license.
So we're being taught by 2 people that don't have their license.
Yeah, I've been riding for 6 years. So basically, I just want you to learn this. You're just learning this. You know, you felt when it was moving and starting to go forward when you release this. So basically, the more you release this, the more you're going to go forward. But you just don't want to drop it because you're going to go, it's going to send you a lot faster. But the more you ease into it, it'll grab the gear and you'll move in smoothly. So once you start moving, you know, you can pull it in again. Other way. This is on, and then that starts it. No gas. Alright. Is your foot still up on that brake? Yeah. Alright. Now start to release the rear brake as you start going forward and you want to like stop. So here, keep releasing. You want to stand on the other side? Put your foot on the brake. And lean towards me. You feel comfy like that? Alright, release. Now release the rear brake. Keep your foot up there though.
The weight is like a lot of weight.
That's why I think they should lock it.
Like, the weight is too much for me.
Or can I sit behind you?
That's more weight.
What?
That's just more weight.
Who cares about more weight? I just want her to get a feeling of being up there and moving. Let's see if I can do this. Lean forward. Wait, am I still, are you recording just now? Alright. Start the bike. Is the kickstand down? Okay. Turn the key. Is the kickstand down? Start it. You can put your hand over mine over here.
At this point, where are my feet going?
Put them on the pegs. Feel that? Feel that? Feel that?
Feel what?
Like you feel me releasing this clutch. Now here's the front brake to slow down.
Okay.
Now you feel me release this clutch?
Yeah.
I'm not using any gas. I just released it completely. Now feel us?
Yeah. Now press the brake.
No, you hold the bars for a second. Just steer around. Keep looking up. No gas. Go right. Alright, now pull in the clutch. Now you can hit the brake. Okay, you feel that? Did that help you get used to it, kind of?
A little bit, yeah. We'll see.
Alright. One more round. We're going to do a couple laps like that. That's alright. That's easy. Alright. Try it again. So you hold in the clutch.
I have it.
Alright.
Right.
Now you start it yourself.
And the brake or no?
You can hold in the brake so we don't roll backwards. Now release this very slowly. And now as we start moving forward, put your feet on the pegs. Let go of the brake. Both brakes, let go.
Both brakes. Both brakes.
Oh, okay.
Where are we going?
Stop moving. It's fluid, very fluid.
What?
It seemed like you're like trying to force it around, you know what I mean?
Force the bike around?
Yeah, like that corner. When it's like you kind of let the bike move you. You don't really move the bike. I don't know if that makes sense. But it was probably because I was trying to control it and you were trying to control it, and it was like, you want to try a second by yourself? Alright. Just don't use the throttle, okay? Don't.
Well, my wrist just goes like this.
Okay, then take it off. You can do that, but obviously you want your front brake. Yeah. Kill switch.
Once you start to hear the RPMs of the bike start dipping, that's another sure way to tell that the bike is starting to engage the clutch. And so you felt there, you had the front brake in, and you felt the bike starting to want to go, but instead of rolling forward, it was just dipping down because your brakes were locked up, so it was just compressing the forks. As soon as you feel that the bike wants to inch forward, let off this brake, because then you won't roll backwards much.
And also when it's like starting to lug down, that's also a good reason to like even go slower on the clutch. But you got to focus on this the whole time. If you want to stop, you pull this in and you hit the brake. Hopefully. Now pull in the clutch. Hey! High five! Yes! I'm not gonna lie, I was so nervous. Oh my god.
I'm like, I'm not nervous at all. And then I got on and I was like, oh. Because there's so many moving parts that you have to think about. Like,
yeah, well, the thing about motorcycles is every single limb is in use at the same time.
so now what, as silly as it sounds, so now after that, like when I pull this in and do the brake, then I just automatically do that, the kill switch.
You can to stop.
And then the most efficient way of doing
Put the kickstand down.
I know, I'm trying to. These are not the right shoes to be riding in.
Oh, they're alright.
Oh.
Airbag vest.
Oh yeah. All right.
How'd it feel when you were going?
I felt really cool. It felt awesome.
Wow. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I was so nervous. Not yet. Alright, Monty. You should be pretty good after getting that little mini lesson. I recommend sitting behind her like what I did, Zach.
That might have helped a little.
Just because the only thing I'm nervous about ever is like anyone dropping a clutch and rev bombing out of it.
I'm just worried about whiskey throttle too.
So I just did this.
So honestly, that was one thing for me. It's like so I have my hands like this, and I like my knuckles, not my knuckles. This is like naturally pulling this back because it's not hard to do.
Yeah.
That was the only thing that I was experiencing. That was making me really nervous.
Easy enough.
I'm not as lengthy.
Bike on. Kickstand up. You got it, Monty. Lean to that side and kick it up. Perfect. Clutch pulled in, bike's on. You can start. Right.
Like this?
No, just move your hand in farther. Move your hand in. Leave this part open, so do this. Okay. Move farther in with your hand. Like, put your hand there, yeah. And now all you have to do is grab that, Zach. That's it. Yeah. Oh, God. Are you guys linked up? So she can't hear you at all? She can't hear you?
I don't feel comfortable like back here. I don't have the reach. You have more reach than me. You're taller than me.
I'm not taller than you.
I'm 5'8".
I don't know how much him coming behind me really helped me. It wasn't.
Just don't use the throttle. If you don't use the throttle, you just focus slowly on this. Only thing you need to worry about is this. If you kill the bike, that's no big deal, okay? Like, stall the bike as much as you want. I stall the bike still, and I've been riding for a while. So you can literally let this out as slow as you can, start moving forward, put your feet on the pegs, and then pull it back in. And then you'll start to feel yourself slow down and start rolling backwards, then start to release the clutch again, and it'll bring you forward. I'm always nervous the first second, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. Hey, you fell on the good side. No, seriously, are you okay?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, you fell on the good side.
Yeah, thanks, side to side. Maybe.
You did good.
Yeah, you did. You went in a straight ass line. I don't, like, how do I stop?
All right, let me show you really quick. Easy stuff. Is that really what you do? Am I really that 5'10"?
Yeah, I'm 5'8".
You're 5'8"?
5'10"? Like, look how much I can flat foot this though. Can you guys not flat foot it? You guys can't do this?
No, I can't. I need to be smaller. I mean,
But if you sit, the farther up you sit, the more you flat foot.
I can't.
Like if I'm back here, I'm like tiptoeing too. See? I mean, I can stretch it like this. But anyway, if you can't flat foot a bike, then you have to lean it to one side or the other. You have to be used to like going straight and then leaning to that side. So here, look. Clutch in, start, go, clutch in. But here, look. So I also am putting my front finger on the front brake here to stop me, okay? When I come up, I did, but I'm not using it because we're going so slow. You don't have to use it, so it's like this. If you can do, and I'm using the rear brake now. Here, come close. I'm using the rear brake now. So I go one step, pull it in, stop. But yeah, lean to this side because if you drop it over here, it doesn't matter. Yeah, you gotta keep trying. What? Like, fall down, you get back up.
There that goes.
Alright. So first, lean over here. Now kick the kickstand up. Scoot your butt as far forward as possible. And put your feet in as far in as they can go. You can flat foot.
Yes, but I'm so far up.
What if you stand up right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so keep that center of balance. One finger on here, middle finger. There you go. On, clutch in.
Try going line to line. So start the line. When you start getting to that line, pull the clutch in. Stop. Do the same thing again.
Pull the clutch in first and then this?
Yes.
Always.
Pull the clutch in first.
This is your start and stop at all times. Well, engine engage, disengage. You hardly need to press it. That's why one finger. You grab a fistful of that and it's gonna one finger.